on the Mercedes.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on.
Yeah, my car is not starting up and the battery is down.
What exactly is your question to me? Are you asking how to get it started or what needs to be done?
Yeah, I need the mechanic. It's like I was doing online. They just told me I have to pay $5 and they just make the payment and they took $5 and $40. I don't know what's going on.
Are you looking for Are you looking for a mobile mechanic to come out and take a look at the vehicle?
Yeah, I want somebody to come and start my car.
Okay.
You know, in the Mercedes-Benz, I have the service like 24 hours. They can come and start it up. So I don't know why they charge me.
Okay. Well, let me send you some information in our chat, and I think this will help out. Okay. I just sent you a reply, and in my reply, the very first link is going to be yourmechanic.com. I would give them a call. Click on that very first link that I just sent you and head over to their website, give them a call and let them know what's going on. And they should be able to come out and take a look at it and hopefully get you up and running right on the spot.
Okay, so I have to call on other number you're saying?
Yes, that's correct. You want me to give it to you real quick?
Okay, let me write it. Wait. Just a minute. Okay, what is the number?
844
844
997
997
3624.
3624. It's 1844 997 3624.
Yes, ma'am, that's correct.
Okay, let me call them. Thank you.
All right, sounds good. You're welcome. Good luck, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye.